Everyone gets angry. It's a normal emotion. The way you handle your anger can make all the difference to your heart. Letting your anger out explosively can be harmful because it triggers surges in stress hormones and injures blood vessel linings. When you have a destructive reaction to anger, you're more likely to have a heart attack. Studies reveal a positive outlook reduces your heart attack risk by 1/3. And very optimistic people have lower risks of dying from heart disease. Communicating your anger assertively helps you feel happier and enjoy healthier relationships. So the next time you find yourself getting angry over something, immediately ask yourself, is this situation worth dying for?